Sangmala jule tenediri ngata optical activity isomerism enokpa o tenangkwa ngata dia ngata silkya khalaki optical isomerism kazuk shya chanok tene khone plane polarized क्या होता है plane of polarization chino angle of rotation chino polarimeter chino construction kauksha khone walking kauksha chanok polarization bosole तेने कंडीशन क्या क्या होना चाहिए किस किस फैक्टर्स के ऊपर डिपेंड करते हैं ngata angle of rotation bosole next ngata diring silen optical isomerism में part chinok enantiomerism diastereomers na meso compounds na racemic mixture sole tene सबसे पहले मतलब enantiomerism chinok na compounds having the same molecular formula but not superimposable mirror images of each other are known as the enantiomers or optically antipodes or enantiomorphs or mirror image isomers. Tiniti compounds unka wenanko molecular formula was same out. That means the number of the carbon and number of the atoms e molecule ngiske parla chut kya na si compound ngisinanko molecules mune molecules kunyankwa and number of atoms kun chut kya na same out kya but khone mirror images kun superimposable med na loti ona ta enantiomorphs zertang zanoklo optical antipodes zanoklo enantiomorphs zertang zanoklo mirror image zertang zanoklo mirror image isomers zertang zanoklo zeti phenomenon bongata chi zanokna enantiomerism zeta zanoklo sole all optically active compounds show the enantiomerism tinetsam shingata optically active compounds zotyakpa tionechi show chonokna enantiomerism e properties po show chonok lo sole properties of enantiomerism nada enantiomerism zate process shotyakpa o the properties po chi zotyakna all physical properties such as the melting point boiling point density solubility refractive index are same tene ote enantiomers sinangkungata enantiomorphs nisme dale ote इसके properties पचुत क्या कोने physical properties जितने भी हैं जैसे melting point नोकलो boiling point नोकलो density नोकलो solubility नोकलो refractive index उत ती समय चुत क्या same उत क्या सोले they different they're different only in the direction of rotation of the plane polarized light कौन different चीज ना क्या ना सिर्फ कहता है plane polarized light around कोने rotation छचे से ते direction बोत यापा plane polarized light towards ngata rotation छचे से direction बो rotate छका नेते direction बो चुत ना different उत क्या लो one rotates the light towards the right एक इचिक पोची कर rotate चुत ना right towards right rotate चुत and the other rotates the light towards the left. Tining is pawok ngata towards left rotates at yolo but the extent is same. But kone nako extent ka chamshi angle leka rotate chaduk zina yo same utyaglo sole. Enantiomers have identical chemical properties except towards optically active agents reagents. Enantiomers mune chemical properties pochi utyazana same utya sirf china different utyazana kone optically kone chemical properties towards optically active reagents kone towards kone different utyaklo बाकी जितने भी chemical properties हो ना ते समझ उत्यजना same उत्यकलो सोले नेक्स्ट थर्ड पॉइंट ये है कि enantiomers नोकपा खोने biological properties पॉन different उत्यकलो एक for example A plus form na B minus form सोले ते इसका enantiomers नोक जतनो the enantiomers जिसवा खोंस के पड़ला different बच्चे दुख से नकतो इनको hydrogen atoms structure number A plus इनको hydrogen atoms बच्चे दुख से ना structure first इनको आता है plus form इनको आता है बल्कि group जैसे कि chlorine ना bromine इनको ते side पो कहाँ दुख से ना right hand side का दुख तीन आता है negative form इनको अच्छी दुख से ना left hand side का दुख तीन अगर इस condition जबकि yot nakatoti ona ngata chi zanozana enantiomers kana kwa two chiral center present to khalale tene condition for enantiomerism tene ngata enantiomerism e phi chi condition rik satisfy chago sanozana enantiomers have different enantiomers condition for enantiomerism the essential condition for a molecule to show enantiomerism is the presence of chirality as a whole tene ina kwa sabse pehle chi hongo satyazana as a whole chirality present hongo sanoklo particular molecule in ngata particular groups ngun ke chi ko sano different hongo sano sole that means khone nangwa dissymmetric nature yuan kyak satano dissymmetric मतलब khone nangwa similarities yo manok particular chiral center जो त्यखपा ओते around ngata atoms into groups into te sama different do nok losole agar o जो condition jik satisfy chana te jok molecule nang ko chirality present jo nok sole next pongata diastereomers diastereomers nang ko two compounds having the same molecular formula but they do not have any mirror image relationship between them are known as the diastereomers diastereomers te compound una zanoglo for example ngata compound ngi sudna o te iske molecular formula bu chu kyazna same mut kya kunen ko number of the atoms sum kyazna same mut kya but different किस में होता है जना कतो खोने parla mirror image relationship present mit kya te ona ngata chi zano diastereomers they are neither superimposable nor non-superimposable mirror images of each other tenang ko ngata mirror images unnokpa या तो सुपरइम्पोजेबल lang yo monok na to non superimposable lang yo mok sole te chok se compounds kuna chi jano jana diastereomers te jano so for example 2,3 dibromopentane 2,3 dibromopentane मतलब कि 2 position और 3 position को bromine उत्या त्यो ngate bro 2,3 dibromopentane जते jano glo first structure second structure third structure fourth structure ngate mention chus dole first structure ಏನಂತ negative का bulky groupsungata right hand side का दुख second structure left hand side का third structure ಏನಂको anti दुखालले चिक पो right चिक पो left ने fourth structure ಏನಂको चिक पो right चिक पो left but इसका क्या है carbon वो different carbon का present होकर right ना left को structure first and second third fourth are non-superimposable mirror images of each other. Then structure first, second, third, fourth खों समझ क्या जना चिकना ची का mirror images वो superimposable युवा कलो and therefore they are enantiomers. They pia superimposable man pasang खों ची नोक जना enantiomers नोकलो. But first and third, second and third, and first and fourth, and second and fourth do not have the mirror image relationship. But ngata first structure na second structure third structure nokpa khonen ko bilkul ya second structure na third structure nok sole tinang ko ya fourth second na fourth second na fourth structure khone parla mirror image relationship बिल्कुल मैं क्या लो मतलब ना तो ये सुपर इम्पोजिबल होता है ना तो नॉन सुपर इम्पोजिबल होता है ई उना चीज ना डाइस्टेरियोमर्स क्लोसोले डाइस्टेरियोमर्स exist in compounds having more than one stereogenic center. Then diastereomers the compounds kuna yono kanan ko stereogenic center chutiazana chiga sama kya glosole. Diastereomers have the opposite configuration around one chiral center. Then diastereomers nan ko chutiazana chiral center chikche around kone configuration bachut kyazana opposite kya close one chiral center and the configuration around another chiral center diastereomers nangko chut kyazana configuration one chiral center around configuration bachut kyazana opposite kya and the same configuration around another chiral center chiral center chikchi ka open direction bachut kyazana diastereomers hone opposite kyalo yang tena same configuration bungata hai chiral center या ते chiral center नंको चु त्याजना diastereomers have opposite configuration diastereomers नंको configuration बच्चो त्याजना opposite रुत्यालो one chiral center around and the same configuration around another chiral center तने young chiral same configuration bu young chiral center around जहाँ रुत्यालो सोले the properties of diastereomers next pungata diastereomers properties chichiriotyasna they have different physical properties such as the melting point boiling point solubilities density refractive index etc अतः खोने properties वो जैसे physical properties है melting point समची का खोन melt चार्ज समची का boil चार्ज खोने rate of dissolve छचे से rate पो कक्षोद खोने ratio of mass ना volume है ratio से value बहुत सम शियोद तो ना refractive index ते संग properties पोचुत क्या ई diastereomers से केस को different डेट क्या क्लोसोले जबकि enantiomers में क्या था कि same था हला they can be separated easily due to the difference in their physical properties. खोंग इसका खोंग इसके physical properties इनको different जो जिस वजह से खोंग easily separate जो है ना क्लोसोले diastereomers may be either optically active or inactive. Diastereomers वो या तो optically active होती है या optically inactive होती है क्लोसोले example geometrical isomers are also regarded as the diastereomers. For example, ngata geometrical isomers ngata ngala study chustanokpa jo ngata diastereomers etang zanok losole and they are optically inactive tene kon chiutiazana optically inactive otyaglo even the optically active diastereomers may have same or opposite signs of rotation agar ngata even ngata optically active diastereomers otyagpa kon enangkwang sign of rotation wo ya to same hoga ya to opposite hoga sole diastereomers have similar but not identical chemical properties diastereomers को चुत क्या properties ngata chemical properties वो या तो same होगा या तो different होगा so the rate of reaction of diastereomers which chiral center or which chiral or achiral reagent with achiral or chiral reagents are generally different तिने खोने rate of reaction होती है some she rate का आता है particular reaction जैसा diastereomers होने पड़ला chiral center which chiral center हो या ना हो लोसो chiral center या एक chiral center reagent यहाँ पो को generally different होती है rate of reactions होने वाले तीसरा है meso compounds compounds having two similar chiral center ते जो compounds रिकान अंकुआ आता है chiral center वो two similar chiral center ngis sotna similar chiral center ngis sonolo generally so like compounds kavena ko mirror image relationship yot kya closer but can be superimposed on its mirror image just by rotation around about 180 degree within the plane of paper are called as mesocompounds. The mesocompounds chi azat kya te compounds kanin ko cheese yot kya chiral center similar chiral center ngis yot kya klosole te ka vinan ko mirror image relationship yot kya te ka ngata या तो superimposed होगा खोने mirror image का जो superimposed है क्या ngata अगर mirror image ngata rotation chuna 180 degree angle का सोले within the ngata plane of paper है का 180 degree का rotate chuna का तो ते चोक त्यो चीज है क्या superimposed है क्या तिने ओ ते चोक से compounds ngata है meso compounds है जानोक सोले such compounds are optically inactive. Then autosource compounds are optically inactive due to the internal compensation. Chip inactive internal compensation that means one half of the molecule cancel the rotation due to the other half. Then chip molecule half of the molecule rotation another half molecule rotation be cancel because of that in plane of symmetry yut kya superimposable zipples on plane of symmetry yut pasang e molecule optically inactive no for example ngata mesotartric acid na inankwa chut kya superimposable mirror images yut kya agar ngata structure one example anokpa mesotartric acid agar ote compound e junga ngata agar axis of symmetry jipurna plane of symmetry jipurna khons ka chi chat kya agar 180 degree ngata rotate chuna to superimposable chat kya तेवे जैसे optically inactive compounds ngate consider chusno उस तरह के compounds को हम क्या कहेंगे meso compounds आते जानो सोले fourth point ngata है racemic mixture an equimolar मतलब 50% each ngata agar enantiomers ngis nena ote mixture bon nena kato tyo ngata racemic mixture jeta zanoklo या racemate जैसे जानो या positive negative form जैसे जानो या DL form जैसे जानो या racemic modification जैसे जानो सोले racemic mixture is optically inactive because of two enantiomers तिनगता racemic mixture पुंगता optically चुत क्या जानो inactive क्या reason क्या है two enantiomers rotate the plane polarized light equally in opposite direction and cancel the effect of each other chip has na katongata enantiomers ngi zo kyakpa tewe chi chot tewu ya jab ote ka plane polarized light chik fall chak chik po chi chot kya na equally ngata opposite direction nang ko rotate chot kyak te wajah se kone effect po cancel chat kyak chikna chahiye opposite direction na song pasang. And this phenomenon is called as the external compensation. Ote phenomenon bo a process bo reason bo ada chi zanok na external compensation jate zanoklo. The separation of the racemic mixture into DL form is called as the resolution. The native process buka nang ko ngatai racemic mixture bu ngatai chi nang ko convert chot kya DL form nang convert chot se process bo resolution jate zanok sonlo ale. Conversion of the positive and negative form of compounds into racemic mixture is called as the racemization. The process buka nang ko D na L positive negative form bo compounding ata racemic mixture nang ko separate chunati is process bo chi zanok na racemization jate zanok lo sone. Next ngatai dini class po ineka khatam chunle. Next class na ko ngatai nomenclature system study chun इराय 3 और 3 से तेने दूसरा सिस्टम क्या है डी ना एल सिस्टम का होगा रिलेटिव कॉन्फ़िगरेशन जतंग जानो तेने सिस ट्रांस आइसोमेरिज्म ang silcheno kesole तेने सिस आइसोमर्स तेने नेक्स्ट ngata class aliphatic hydrocarbons ngata start chun ya le gospa तेने I hope कि ये थमा हा गुस्तर दो अगर प्लीज डाउट ना खतोटी शिकला लेते ने तो मंग पे शायद वीडियोस था थिक मिनुक बट फिर भी वीडियोस था अगर ये हा गवर्नमेंट अगर ठीक है जब हा गवर्नमेंट तो जो है हा गवर्नमेंट ना तिने त्यो प्रॉब्लम छनो थैंक यू ले थमा